Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. Today is Thursday, May 16th, 2024, and today was pretty tough because it was kind of the first day that sellers actually came into play and were really present in the market during this whole bull trend. The signs were there, so let me show you how you could have picked up on it. So I'm going to start with this 5-minute chart. We had this brief level of support pre-market before closing below it, and then the first time that we retested it, 1 hour before the open, it touched it to the tick before rejecting. And so that was kind of the first indication that, okay, we have a break and retest. That's a bearish pattern. But then right as market opened, it kind of flipped the script. So let me show you real fast. So we have the support level pre-market where we ended up breaking below it. And so you would think that we would follow the same trend, break and retest. So I actually took a short right here at 34. And it was just trading sideways. We couldn't get a close above VWAP. And then we had this nasty drop where it looked like my short was going to work. But then we had a really strong close above this support level. So I knew that because there were still buyers down here that, we're in a very strong uptrend and we'll probably make another all-time high. So I closed my short, I flipped it to go long, and I was really just targeting all-time highs. And so the first play of the day was really this bull flag, and then there was a second bull flag that appeared. But I'm just going to say that this is play number one to make it easy. Play number two is actually a break and retest. So after making all-time highs here, we have a support level where we broke below it. And it definitely did look like we were making a bigger term bull flag. So we have our pull, the pullback, and I know I have a lot of lines here, but just try to ignore that. So I ended up taking a long right around here at 41. And I just had this weird feeling all day that longs weren't going to play out. So I ended up selling early somewhere over here because I felt like there could be a break and retest here. Now, I didn't take it just because all the shorts have not been working, for the last 2 weeks. But I did have a friend call it out, and I was eyeing this 47 level. And it actually worked out. So that's play number two, was a break and retest. We sold off pretty hard, and then we ended up finding like a little demand zone right over here. So again, I take another long. We start to go up, and there was this other support level that I was eyeing. It was on a 15-minute chart. Support level right here at 41.25. We break below it. We start to grind up, and I was thinking, okay, well, maybe another break and retest will work. So I was in long right around here, and we start to grind up, and then same thing. I just had this weird feeling that, today would be the day that longs don't work out and that I would get stopped out. So I closed my long. I don't get in short again here because still, like I said before, shorts just have not been working out. But again, you notice that we ended up rejecting this support level and then selling off pretty hard. So once we sold off right here, I noticed that there was this downtrend. So I ended up extending this pretty far out. But I stopped trading after we hit this demand zone. There was this 4-hour demand zone. We have a wick over here. And the first time that we retested it, we got a pretty strong reaction. So you can see that once we hit this demand area, we jumped up about 10 points. And then I was done trading after this. So I closed my screen around 130, 140. So I didn't even see this last play develop. But play number 5 was just the trend line rejection. So right in this general area, we rejected VWAP. And so this one was kind of hard to time because I was actually looking for this level of support to act as resistance at 37.5. So we didn't quite get there, but still held under this downtrend. So that's where you get play number 5. And then, of course, we hit this demand zone, right before the close. Get a nasty bounce up before once again hitting the trend line and then rejecting like more than 10 points in less than 5 minutes. So pretty tricky day, but shorts definitely came to play. So we'll see if they're in control now or if we just find a new demand zone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys didn't get faked out by these longs and held your shorts. So catch you tomorrow. I love you.